Everybody look straight. No need to write anything till the time I say you. Okay, able section, first child, Bhavnoor Kaur, please come forward.
आपने इधर से दिया SCPS
अच्छा इनकी वो अच्छा अच्छा
इनके
ओके
रोल नंबर
ओके section SC roll number 5 please come forward. Roll number 5, yes, very good, come forward. Tell me, what are triangular numbers? What do you understand by that? What do you understand by triangular numbers? Your whatever you know, tell in your own words, okay? Proper कोई definition नहीं बतानी है. Tell in your own words. What do you understand by that? That can be. Okay. Okay. Good. Sit down. Thank you, beta. Let me call other your PZ section. Which is that? Second bench boy. I saw your hand. You were raising your hand. Please come forward. Middle row. Yes. Tell me in your own words, what are triangular numbers?
एंड जब हम नॉर्मल नंबर को हम ऐड करते हैं, जैसे 1 + 2 हो गया, वो 3 बन गया, 3 का ट्रायंगुलर है, फिर
Okay.
प्लस करके 3, फिर 5 बन गया, वो भी ट्रायंगुलर है.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. You have told me correctly. Please sit down. Sit down. Thank you. Now everybody look straight. I'm going to show you few things over here. These balls are arranged nicely in triangular form, right? So number of balls, it is written over here, it is 91. It means 91. If we can arrange the number of balls in a equilateral triangle form, in the shape of equilateral triangle, then we say that number is a triangular number. Okay, here you can see if we make a rangoli, suppose we have to draw a design, then we have to think of कि number should be of equilateral form. अगर वो equilateral form में आएगा, इसका मतलब we should choose a number from the sequence of triangular numbers. Sequence जो आपको पता है, उसमें से हम number choose करेंगे. We will arrange them in the proper form, and we will come to know it will definitely form a equilateral triangle. Okay, see next. This is the given below is a triangle. This is a question actually I will be telling you later. What is that? Okay, can you see these are arranged properly? Can you see they are arranged in triangular form? 1, 2, 3, 4 on the this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side, and 1, 2, 3, 4 at the back. They are arranged properly in the triangular form, equilateral triangular form. It means those numbers, number of counting, when you count these all, whatever number comes, that is surely a triangular number. Why? Because it is forming a equilateral triangle form. Okay. Then these are the logs of wood. Can you see? Logs of wood, they were very huge. They are arranged properly in the triangular form. It means कि number of log woods होंगी, they will be definitely form a triangular number, right? I'll be showing you more. Okay, till that time, you have to tell properly. If anybody asks you what are triangular numbers, you have to tell that this is a sequence of numbers. Sequence of numbers means एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद there are so many triangular numbers. So please write down once. What are triangular numbers? Everybody write down in the notebook. Triangular numbers. Shortcut you are going to understand, but before that you should know what we are talking about. Triangular numbers. What are triangular numbers? You told me when we add them 1 + 2 we get 3. 3 is a triangular number. 3 में 4 plus करेंगे, next is a triangular number. That 3 में 3 plus करोगे, 6 will come, 6 is a triangular number, then so on. You will keep going. It is like that. So what is that? It is a sequence of numbers. You must know it. It's a sequence of numbers. Sequence. जैसे sequence of even numbers होती है 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Sequence of odd numbers होता है 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Sequence of prime numbers होता है. It is like that. It is going on, right? Sequence of numbers that can be arranged in the shape of an equilateral triangle. This is very important to tell कि उसकी जो shape होगी that will come in the form of equilateral triangle. Okay, I showed you the dots were arranged nicely. That Rangoli pattern was made nicely in the form of equilateral triangle. Logs of wood were arranged nicely in the form of equilateral triangle. Then I showed you those picture of those objects which were also arranged in equilateral triangle form. So when we arrange them nicely in equilateral form, then only we can say they are triangular numbers. So examples, you know, you can write down examples. 1, 3, 6, 10, and so on. You have read it already. You know it, but write it properly so that you can use it in your assertion reason, maybe in the filling the blanks. Okay. So don't keep incomplete knowledge with you. Whatever knowledge of any topic you have, it should be complete. Right? So these are the triangular numbers that you know already. Now, if I tell you what is the next number, 10 ka next number, triangular number kya hai, you will be able to tell me. If I say you uska next kya hai, you will be able to tell me, because you know ki every time we have to add the next number. Okay, so we are going to do here few rules which will be telling you how to find the triangular number. Okay, first rule is rule number 1. आउट ऑफ दीज ऑल रूल, जितने मैं रूल यहाँ पे लिखूंगी इसमें से आपने कुछ किए हुए हैं और कुछ आप अभी सीखोगे मेरे से, उनमें से शॉर्टकट मेथड भी है और वो मेथड भी है जो ऑलरेडी आपने किया हुआ है. ठीक है, रूल नंबर 1 क्या है? आपका जो ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स है, फर्स्ट नंबर क्या है उसका? राइट डाउन. फर्स्ट नंबर क्या है बेटा? दैट इज 1. यू नो इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1. व्हाट इज द सेकंड नंबर? सेकंड नंबर क्या होगा? That is equal to, how do you find the second number? If I ask you find the second number of the triangular number, you will say first number plus 2. This is a rule. First number plus 2, which is equal to 3. If I ask you third number, we are talking about triangular number. If I ask you third number, third triangular number निकालना है तो आप क्या करोगे? You will say second number plus 3, which is equal to 6. So this is the rule going on. This is rule number 1, which is telling you how to find the next triangular number. Who know this rule? Please raise your hand. Have you ever read this rule? You know it. Very good. Very good. I'm starting from that rule, which already known to you. Okay. First number is 1. Second is known to you. First number plus 2 and then so on. You will keep going and so on. Have you written it in your notebook? Very good. Very good. Now, rule number 2. Let us write down rule number 2, how to find the triangular number. You know first number. Everybody will write down so that first number आपको पता है कि 1 है. तो second number क्या होगा? Second number find out करने के लिए you will think of sum of first two natural numbers. Sum of first two natural numbers. Natural numbers, you know it. You read in lower classes also. that is 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. We wrote first two natural numbers. Natural numbers, they start from 1. Do you know it? First two means 1 and 2. Their addition is 3. So 3 is the second triangular number. So how will you find the third one? Similarly, what it should be? You complete the sentence, please tell me. It should be sum of first 3. Very good. Sum of, I'm putting dash, sum of first 3 natural numbers. You know, ये dash dash हम कब डालते हैं? जब हमें ऊपर से same लिखना होता है. ठीक है? Sum of first 3 natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6. So these are the triangular numbers which are coming to you. These are the methods you have already learned, right? You can think in either way. You can think in that way, which was rule number 1. You can think in this way. This is rule number 2. Now come to rule number 3. And so on. We are not writing all. We cannot write. There are so many triangular numbers. We are just recalling the method how to write it. Rule number 3. Rule number 3 is write down nth triangular number. Nth triangular number. Nth means it could be your first, it could be your second, third, fourth, anyone, 10th, 15th, maybe any other. Okay? Randomly if you're finding, not in order. If I say you can find 12th this triangular number, you will be able to find it. Okay? So put a star over here. It will give you a lot of information. And I was talking about this shortcut method actually. This is the nth triangular number which can be found as n plus 1 by 2. This is the shortcut method. Please don't talk, PC section, children. This is the shortcut method. Have you put star over here? All of you, have you noted? Very good. So this is the rule number 3. Let us find out fifth triangular number. I'm writing in short form. Everybody write down fifth triangular number. Randomly बीच में से निकाल रहे हैं. We are not finding कि पहले first निकालो फिर second फिर third and all. Order में निकालना, it is very simple. But randomly जब बीच में से निकालना है आपने कोई भी, then it is method should be there, right? Find out fifth triangular number. Let us put n is equal to fifth means n is equal to 5. Put here 5. Bracket में क्या आएगा? What will come in the bracket? You need not multiply 5 and 6. Simply इसको पहली lowest term में कर लो. Okay? So it will be 15. Okay, this is the simplest way. Raise your hand who say that yes, this is the simplest way to find randomly any triangular number in between अगर आपको निकालना पड़े तो. Let us write down one more example. Everybody has noted? Raise your hand. Have you noted, beta? This is the formula you have to remember to find randomly any triangular number. Let us write down more. Write down the question. Example लिखो यहाँ पे. Find 13th triangular number. 13th triangular number. So 13th triangular number with the same formula. If I ask you in other way, जो पहले वाला आपने sequence वाला किया है, you will keep writing all. शुरू से शुरू करोगे और फिर 13th पे पहुंचोगे. It will take a lot of time. But it will be shortcut method. You are putting n is equal to 13 over here in the formula. So then you are writing 13 and here 14 in the bracket. 2 need not multiply 13 and 14. उसको पहले से ही shortcut में उसको lowest term में कर लो. 7 2s are 15. Okay. 7 2s are 14. आपने किया इसको. And then it is coming out to be 91 when you multiply. यू आर इन 6th क्लास बेटा। आपको बताया गया है कि पहले मल्टीप्लाई करना है, बाद में डिवाइड करना है। ठीक है, मेनी चिल्ड्रन दे डू लाइक दिस। मेरे को पता है सीनियर क्लासेस में दे डू मेनी टाइम्स कि पहले 13 और 14 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, फिर 2 से उसको डिवाइड करते हैं। विच इज इजियर, टेल मी, कि पहले उसको 13 को 14 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, फिर उसको जो आंसर आएगा उसको फिर 2 से डिवाइड करोगे, दैट इज सिंपलर। शॉर्टकट कौन सा है, ये या फिर नीचे वाला? दिस इज शॉर्टकट मेथड। रेज योर हैंड। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड कि उसको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना? You have to make your question easy. Very good. Hands down. You have understood. Not only here, otherwise also whenever you do any question in maths, look for the easiest way. Whatever method you have studied till now, unko apply karo. In any question you can apply. Okay? So it is 91. I showed you in picture also, 91 balls were arranged nicely together in an equilateral triangle form. So 91 is what? What is 91? It is the 13th triangular number in the sequence. ठीक है, आप पूरी सीक्वेंस लिखते हो 1, 3, 6, 10 एंड सो ऑन, लिखते जा रहे हो लिखते जा रहे हो। इट इज वेरी फार, यू तो 13th तक जाते जाते यू हैव टू काउंट अ लॉट, एडिशन बार बार करनी पड़ेगी, बट हियर यू आर नीड नॉट डू इट। फाइन। So this is your star question where you are using your shortcut method. One more method is there which I'm going to tell you. Write down rule number 4. Rule number 4, how to find the next triangular number. रूल में आपको क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ ही लिखवाऊंगी. ओके, we will be doing a question also here and then you will be writing all the rules. So what is that? Write down, if two numbers are given in a sequence. ठीक है, सीक्वेंस आपको पता है. वी आर गोइंग टू टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. सीक्वेंस में टू नंबर्स, यू नो टू नंबर्स कौन कौन से हैं आपको, मतलब इफ 45 एंड 55 these two numbers are there, you have to find the next, कि नेक्स्ट ट्रायंगुलर नंबर हमारा कौन सा होगा. कैन यू फाइंड इट? एनीबडी, किसी के माइंड में आ रहा है हाउ टू फाइंड इट? Yes, yes, tell me. Yeah, PC section, I can see your hand, but that girl from the front, yes. Okay, okay. Is it 65? Raise your hand. Raise your hand who says 65. Okay, it means you're guessing it. Hands down. Hands down. We are thinking of triangular numbers. Today we are thinking of only triangular numbers. This is a sequence of a triangular sequence, triangular number sequence. Please remember. ओके, आपका ये नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन नहीं है, पैटर्न वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं है कि पैटर्न आपको जब दिया होता है तो आप इसमें 10 प्लस करके मेरे को बता रहे हो कि नेक्स्ट इज 65. आई सेड दीज टू आर ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स. व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट ट्रायंगुलर नंबर? You know what is the rule here? Please see here carefully what we do. This is also an important rule over here. First step is you have to find the difference. Find the difference. दोनों का माइनस करके डिफरेंस निकालो. व्हाट इज दैट? 55 माइनस 45 इज इक्वल टू 10. ओके, इसको अंडरस्टैंड ऑल्सो, सिर्फ कॉपी डाउन नहीं करना, सिर्फ अंडरस्टैंड, पहले अंडरस्टैंड भी करो इसको साथ साथ में. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, 20 स्टेप में हमने क्या करना है, एड 1 to 10. क्या आ गया आपके पास? इट इज इक्वल टू 11. Okay, and you are adding C step, add 11 to 55. अब आपने इसमें ऐड करना है तो आपके पास ये नंबर जो आएगा that will be next triangular number. Okay, this is the rule. Okay, we will be doing one more question of this type. Understand it, what we did, randomly two triangular numbers were given to us. How to find the next triangular number? What is the rule? First we find the difference, दोनों को minus करते हैं. Whatever answer comes, we add 1 to it. ठीक है, 1 निकाल के जो आंसर आया उसको हम लास्ट वाले नंबर, सेकंड वाले नंबर में ऐड करेंगे. That will be our triangular number, next triangular number. Who have understood? Raise your hand. Who have understood these steps? This is a rule. Okay, very good. We are going to do one more of this type. Write down example. One more example of the same kind. You have to follow the same rule. Ten, 15. You have to find this. Find next triangular number. Write down the question also so that you can revise it later. You are finding next triangular number. Don't move out of the seat. Please write the steps. PS section, first boy who is standing. Have you written it also in the notebook? I know many children are telling me in that way क्योंकि उन्होंने सीक्वेंस में थोड़े थोड़े लर्न किए होंगे. आपको याद भी होगा सीक्वेंस लिख लिख के कि 15 के बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर कौन सा आएगा. प्लीज फॉलो दिस रूल. ओके, सेम रूल से करो so that आपको पता चले कि रूल कैसे फॉलो करना है. I have chosen a small number ताकि आपकी कैलकुलेशन इजी हो जाए. Okay, follow the same steps. How will we do? A step is 15 minus 10. That will be equal to 5. I have taken small numbers so that आपको rule पता चले. ठीक है? Otherwise, for higher numbers also you can apply the same rule. It is subtraction. Then what we did? Subtraction में जो आया उसमें हमने 1 plus करना है. That was 5 plus 1. We got is 6. And we will be adding 6 to the second number. Same rule follow किया हमने. So answer you are getting 21. So 21 is the third triangular number. Next triangular number, you can say not third. This is the next triangular number, whatever two numbers are given to us. Okay, I have told you this rule because if the triangular numbers are not given in order, randomly आपको 90, 91 and some more number are given to you, you can find out easily the next number also. Have you understood this method? Please raise your hand. Very good. Hands down. Hands down. Chalo, let us do a little higher question. अब आप expert हो चुके हो, whatever question you have done. Write 50th triangular number.
50th है.
50th. 50th. 50. You apply your own rule. 50th triangular number. Very good. Same rule which you wrote, apply that and tell me what is coming. I will be calling the name, okay? Very good. Everybody do. SC section, last boy who is sitting alone.
No.
Okay, two boys are sitting. Yes, beta, please come. Have you found? PS section, don't move, children.
76.
76? कैसे निकाला बेटा? How did you find?
And the plus one, on 2.
Okay, you did n plus 1 upon 2. Then n is equal to 50. You wrote here 50, then it is 51 upon 2. फिर क्या किया आपने?
कट कर दिया.
कट कर दिया, देन कट करके क्या है यहाँ पे 25,
25.
then you are doing 25 into 51. What is coming? Please do it. Go and do beta.
Like how?
I think you have not multiplied it. Okay, if you're trying to do it mentally, then write 1 or 2 steps in the rough work to check it. Okay, you have to make your self confidence ki yes, I have done correctly. I think I'm getting answer as 1275. Who are getting it? Raise your hand. Who have multiplied it? If you have not done, do it now. Okay, I can see hand. Yeah, in one section, I can see many hands. Very good. Yeah, good, good. 1275 is the correct answer. This is the 50th triangular number. Okay, good, good. Hands down. If answer is matching with me, then it is fine. You have done correctly. Very good. Very good, very good. Hands down. Wonderful. Write down one more example. Write whether 36 is a triangular number. क्या 36 एक ट्रायंगुलर नंबर है? How will you check it? अगर आपको चेक करना पड़े कि ये 36 ट्रायंगुलर नंबर है या नहीं है, what would you do? Check for 36. If yes, raise your hand. Okay, okay, good. So many hands I can see. SC section first, girl beta, please come and tell me how did you check? आपको लर्न था वो सीरीज में सीक्वेंस में कौन सा नंबर आएगा या फिर आपने कोई मेथड अप्लाई किया है?
Ma'am, it was done.
Pardon?
Ma'am, I have learned.
You have learned few of them. Okay, okay, good. Okay, yeah, okay, good. You have learned it, that's why. You know what is the rule? बेटा any time you are doing like this, ऐसे ही कर रहे हो ना, इसको आपको पता है कि हमेशा आप ऐसे ही करते जा रहे हो. ये फॉर्मूला कर रहे हो, हमेशा आप जो भी नंबर आता है उसको 2 से कट करते हो. इफ यहाँ पे इवन नंबर है तो आप उसको 2 से कट करते हो, अगर यहाँ पे इवन नंबर है तो उसको आप 2 से कट करते हो. इट इज लाइक दैट. ओके, यू कैन गेस इट वेरी वेल दैट 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. तो ये 4s are कैसे आ सकते हैं? कैन यू डू लाइक दिस 8/2? कैन यू राइट 4 as 8/2? Okay, if you cut it, so this number could be used as n plus 1 by 2. So n को क्या लोगे यहाँ पे? n को क्या लोगे, 8 या फिर 9? क्या कंसीडर करोगे? इफ इट इज n plus 1, इससे कंपेयर करोगे तो आप n इज इक्वल टू क्या कंसीडर करोगे? n क्या होना चाहिए? इट शुड बी 9 और 8. इट शुड बी 8. तभी तो 8 into 9 आएगा ना. तो दिस इज 8th triangular number. 8th triangular number. You can guess very well. ठीक है? I have chosen this difficult question for you because I know you are you have already knowledge about this topic. I have taken little higher questions also to make you understand the topic deeply. Okay, beta? So you have guessed very well that if you write it in this form, then you can find easily कि कौन सा होगा. You can check it. 8th triangular number. Check it from your list. क्या वो 8th number पे आ रहे हैं 36? हाथ खड़े करो जिनको याद है, थोड़ी सी सीक्वेंस जिनको लर्न है. क्या वो 8th नंबर पे आ रही है? Yes, 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 it is coming. Yes, very good. It is coming. You have found not in that way. जो आपने learn की हुई है sequence, that is fine. Okay, you should be having logic also. You should be having a process also. कैसे आया 8? तो हमने ये मेथड लगाया. We know 9 fours are 36. 4 को हमने 8/2 कर दिया. And then we came to know कि 9 और 8 में 1 का difference है. तो ये हमारे पास आ गया 8th triangular number. You can note it down if you want. कि how it has come. This is the other way of thinking. ठीक है, suppose you apply, give your exams of Olympiad exams or some competitions. So such methods are used of quick revision, quick method of thinking. Okay? So you have to do that. Now, can you tell me how the triangular numbers are related to square numbers? What is the relation between triangular numbers and square numbers? Do you know? No, you have not studied square numbers? Yes, you have done. Okay. So can you tell me? Hanji? Yes, beta. Yes, what are you saying? Okay. Tell me, 36 is a triangular number? Is 36, write down next question. Is 36 a square number also? क्या ये square number है? Yes, you are raising your hand. You know 36, we can write it as 6 into 6. That's why it is a square number. You have already read it. Now write down relation between triangular numbers and relation between triangular numbers and I'm writing in short form triangular number and square number. What is the relation between them? You told me that 1, 3, 6, 10 and so on. They are all triangular numbers. ठीक है, उनको ऐड करो सीक्वेंस में. 1 + 3 is 4. 4 is equal to 2 square. That is 2 into 2. Similarly, 3 + 6 is 9. Okay, so 9 is also 3 into 3. So you keep adding the triangular numbers and you get new square number. Okay, beta, have you understood today's topic? Raise your hand once. I'm closing it. Wonderful. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye. All the best, everyone. Good. Wonderful. Bye-bye.